Click on the link below to get price. The HPE StoreEver MSL 30750 Drive Upgrade Kit is a robust solution for those looking to enhance their data storage capabilities. Designed to work seamlessly with the MSL 30750 tape library, this drive module provides a reliable upgrade path for organizations requiring efficient and secure data backup and archiving. One of the standout features of the LTO, linear tape open, technology used in this module is its impressive capacity and performance. Supporting LTO 7 technology, it offers a native capacity of 6 TB per tape, which can be expanded to 15 TB with data compression. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses that generate large volumes of data and need a dependable storage solution that can scale with their growth. Installation of the upgrade kit is straightforward, ensuring minimal downtime. HPE has designed the module with user-friendly features, allowing IT administrators to quickly integrate it into existing infrastructures. The robust build quality of the drive module promises longevity and reliability, reducing the likelihood of data loss or equipment failure. Performance-wise, the MSL 30750 drive delivers impressive transfer speeds of up to 300 MB per second for uncompressed data, which significantly speeds up backup and restore operations. This is crucial for companies that cannot afford long downtimes. Furthermore, the drive's intelligent software features assist in optimizing performance, enabling users to manage their data more effectively. Security is also a priority with this upgrade kit. The incorporation of advanced encryption technology ensures that sensitive data is protected, which is essential for compliance with various regulations. This feature adds a layer of peace of mind for organizations concerned about data breaches. The HPE StoreEver MSL 30750 Drive Upgrade Kit Tape Library Drive Module LTO is a solid investment for businesses looking to enhance their data storage capabilities. Its combination of high capacity, speed, ease of use, and robust security features make it a top choice for effective data management in today's data-driven world.